You don't need professional equipment to create good videos. A smartphone with a decent camera is enough to shoot high quality footage. Make sure your videos are clear, well lit, and focused on engaging visuals that reflect your brand's atmosphere. If you do want to up your videography, there are a few tools that you could purchase which would enhance the quality of your content. For example, a tripod. Check out our social media content equipment checklist, which is in the video description below, for our recommendations on the best things to purchase. For editing, there are plenty of free and inexpensive apps that you can download, like CapCut, InShot, iMovie, or Canva, that allow you to trim clips, add text, and adjust audio. We've made a list of our favourite apps for editing photos and videos, which you can find again in the description below. Let's take a quick look at how the video editing app CapCut works. CapCut is a free media editing tool, so it's really working best for editing video at the moment. It's actually made by the same people who make TikTok. To start a CapCut edit, all you need to do is upload your media in the app by pressing the plus button. So you would have pre-recorded videos saved to your phone's camera roll. This then starts the editing process, where you can begin to do things like trim your clips. You could split your clips in half. You could speed them up if you wanted to. You can add audio, text, any special effects like transitions at this point. So there's loads you can do within the app. There's also some pro elements. So there are features that you only get as a paid for user of CapCut, like some of the special effects, or some of the captions you can see are pro only. If you click generate captions, if it has got a voiceover, the AI tool will automatically transcribe what you're saying and overlay that on your video. So that's a pretty cool feature of CapCut. It's also worth double checking those captions just to make sure that they are accurate. I would recommend, if you are doing any talking on your video, to trim it down. So remove all of the ums and ahs to make it as punchy as possible. It's pretty easy to do this, just with the editing that we've shown you. Once your video is ready to go, you can export that on the top right-hand side of CapCut, and this will save it into your camera roll, ready to post to the social platforms. Before you shoot, outline your video's purpose. Are you promoting an event? Are you giving a behind-the-scenes tour? Script your key points, but keep it conversational and brief. If you're showcasing a live event or a special offer, start with a hook in the first few seconds to grab attention. Highlight what makes your pub stand out and keep the video under 90 seconds long for maximum engagement. To go live on Facebook, all you need to do is navigate to your page and click Create Post, then click on Live from the post options. You'll need a page that's at least 60 days old and has over 100 followers. You add a description of your live video first, such as join us for some live music at the Red Lion, and then you click Go Live to start broadcasting. You could engage your viewers by welcoming them as they join and responding to their comments in real time. Let's take a look at an example of a pub going live. Live videos create an immediate sense of engagement and excitement. They allow your audience to experience events in real time, even if they're not physically there. For pubs, live streaming a music performance, a pub quiz, or a busy evening can entice viewers to visit in person. It's also a great way to interact with your audience, as they can ask questions and leave comments during the live broadcast.